So now we have our companies ranked. This is what we think they are. And we got what the market has them ranked as. And so what we want to do is, in this column K here, is just put the difference. And so what we're going to do is going to do equal what we think the rank is minus what the market is the rank is. So a negative number is what we're looking for. And so we'll click that down. I'm going to go home and hit the comma button just so I can see everything. And if we go down, what we're interested in is what are those companies that are really the biggest negatives. And so what we can do now is we can go back to the very first company and do Control Shift down and right, and then we can do data, sort, and we're sort by that very last column, the difference column, smallest to largest, and hit OK. And then I'm going to go over to columns C5, and I'm going to do View and Freeze Frames so I can see my companies. And let's see what we have here. So you can see our best ranked company is Exelon, which we've actually owned them before. Our model ranked them number 11, yet their price to book is number 78, so they're the biggest difference we have. Pinnacle West, that'd be an interesting to look at. Our model loves it. It's got one of the lowest price to books, so loves it. And so what I like is a firm that's ranked really high, like both of these firms, that the market doesn't have ranked very high. Now, one thing we can do up here is we can do the correlation of our ranking to the price to book. So I'm going to do equal, C-O-R-R-E-L, and I'll select our ranking, comma, the price to book, close parentheses. You can see what the correlation is. Good news is it's positive, so it's not negative. Bad news is it's not very high. You know what, you take the correlation and you square it. It tells you what your R squared is. So you can see our R squared is only 6%. Wow. That's just not very good. We're not explaining much of the difference. But what we can do, and I don't know if we'll have the time to do it in here, but what we can do, we'll try it. We'll see if it's set up. You may not have it set up on your machine, so we'll just have to see. Let me hit pause one more time and let's make sure you're set up.